Now, the Criminal Justice Coordinating Committee, which focuses on the criminal justice system in Washington County, was suspended last week. 4029's Jacob Murphy is live and tells us more about the committee and why it's currently on hold.
The committee was formed back in 2017 with an ordinance that stated that members on the committee could only serve for 6 years. So when October hit this year, that was the mark for 6 years. So the county had no choice but to suspend the committee.
The committee's been here for 6 years, and it's time for us to ask the question, what do we have to show for that? I don't think there's much there.
The county discovered the ordinance last week, which says that committee members could only stay for 6 years.
We immediately communicated to all the members, Chairman, Prosecutor Matt Durrett, that, hey, the members are no longer valid. This committee needs to be suspended until further notice.
Washington County Prosecutor Matt Durrett serves as the committee chair.
It caught me off guard, but it's clear. And so it's not really an interpretation of the ordinance. It's what the ordinance says.
Today, he explained the purpose of the committee.
It was to provide oversight for the CSU, but also to look into ways to increase the efficiency of the criminal justice system.
And how it's grown over the last 6 years.
Probably 2020 or so shifted from solely the CSU to focusing more on the criminal justice system itself.
The committee's work has left Judge Deakins feeling underwhelmed.
Where my disappointment lies is there's some low-hanging fruit that we could be doing that the committee has holistically not pursued.
Today, Deakins and Durrett agreed that the committee needs to reshape some things.
We're going to estimate where we're at as the county and then really consider the future of this group, both who we would want impaneled on this group, who brings the value to the county, but also what do we want this group's focus to be moving forward.
While also following the ordinance and the law.
We don't step outside of what we're permitted to do, both by the ordinance from the quorum court, but also by state law.
And Deakins and Durrett are both unsure about the time frame for the next steps that are going to be made about the committee. Reporting live in Fayetteville, Jacob Murphy, 4029 News.